When it comes to turf maintenance, superintendents agree that nothing is more important than the irrigation system. Turf health, playing conditions, water usage, and even labor costs are all impacted by the irrigation system. That's why for more than 40 years now, the TORO company has dedicated itself to producing the finest irrigation systems available. And now, TORO is pleased to announce another advancement in golf sprinkler technology, the 800 series golf sprinklers. These sprinklers are a definite step forward in sprinkler technology, combining the best of the features that made TORO the market leader with exciting new features you won't find anywhere else. The advantages start right at the top. The cap clearly identifies the nozzle set in use, pressure regulation setting, and the date of manufacturing. This lift feature, which is unique to the 800 series, allows you to lift the riser up out of the body for ease of servicing. The simple design allows you to completely disassemble the sprinkler in just a few minutes. This tool allows you to pull the riser out of the body even if the cap is removed. The closed cased feature brings the snap ring to the top of the body, simplifying riser removal for servicing. And by locating the snap ring at the top, the sprinkler gains almost a full inch of pop-up height, bringing the nozzles 4 full inches above the turf. The higher pop-up height easily clears taller grasses, making 800 series sprinklers appropriate to all large turf applications. The 800 series body is the same overall length as existing TORO sprinklers. This compatibility greatly simplifies renovations with no additional digging required. The valve system features the same rugged piston valve TORO has relied on for 35 years. This valve is downward compatible with TORO's existing product line. The body design includes a number of built-in debris traps, which allow debris to settle away from the valve, protecting the sprinkler from permanent damage. A molded-in stainless steel valve seat is designed to prevent any permanent damage that would require digging the sprinkler body up and replacing it. And the valve seat never requires servicing like the competition's. A top serviceable rock screen is your first line of defense, keeping the larger debris out of the body. It is easily removed and replaced from the top of the sprinkler with TORO's standard snap ring pliers. The stainless steel communication tube is another protection feature. Its small diameter and long length minimize the potential for debris settling into the tube. The 800 series sprinkler features TORO's proven pilot valve. The pilot valve is available in 4 factory preset pressures that ensure nozzle uniformity throughout the course. It utilizes the same flag key for manual control, allowing on, off, and automatic operation right at the sprinkler head. It even includes the new low wattage, high surge solenoid, a TORO exclusive. Low wattage means smaller wire that equates to lower initial installation cost, while high surge means less damage due to lightning, lowering your long-term maintenance and service costs. This solenoid is an important feature, offering major advantages over competitive sprinklers and older TORO sprinklers. While the solenoid found on our leading competitor fails at 7,000 volt spikes, and the solenoid on older TORO sprinklers fails at 9,000 volt spikes, the solenoid on the TORO 800 series does not fail when subjected to 20,000 volt spikes. The 800 series includes 3 nozzles. The main nozzle provides the distance coverage up to 100 feet. The intermediate nozzle covers from 20 to 45 feet, and the inner nozzle handles the in-close watering from the sprinkler head out to 20 feet. All 3 nozzles are threaded in, allowing easy removal with a standard nut driver. And for easy identification, all of the nozzles are color-coded. Each main and intermediate nozzle includes stream straighteners that are sized so that any particle coming through the riser screen will pass completely through the nozzles without clogging. This eliminates distortion and ensures precise water application from the nozzles, a significant advantage over other products on the market. The nozzle base simply threads into place and features a stainless steel bearing and low friction paraffin O-ring design. This design provides a low friction sealing surface that dramatically reduces the load on the drive. As the nozzle base turns, the drive assembly isn't required to work as hard, significantly increasing the life expectancy of the drive assembly. Ribs have also been added to the inside of the riser to maintain the proper position of the O-ring and prevent it from blowing out during high surge conditions. The riser seal is another advantage of the 800 series, featuring a rigid Lexan base overmolded with a urethane seal. The performance of urethane in dirty water applications is unsurpassed. Its memory characteristics ensure it will always return to its original shape with no permanent damage after debris has been removed. This is another part that is downward compatible with all TORO 700 series golf sprinklers. The riser screen is another major advantage, ensuring correct positioning of all the internal parts. And unlike pressed-in screens that are common on competitive products, this screen is threaded into place and will maintain its position even in high surge applications. The variable stator is designed to provide 3-minute rotation times throughout the nozzle and pressure ranges. Today's control systems are very exacting in the amount of time they operate the sprinklers, and this new design ensures one complete revolution of the sprinkler every 3 minutes. The drive assembly, while similar to the 730 and 750s, features a shorter output shaft and a larger turbine diameter, resulting in more driving power. The drive assembly is not only a durable 3,000-hour performer, it's also available for less than half the price of equivalent parts on competitive sprinklers. Start with the proven history of TORO's sprinklers. Add in product enhancements that lower the cost of ownership and increase performance and product life expectancy. And it's easy to see why courses around the country are choosing TORO 800 series golf sprinklers.
We're halfway through this renovation and everything seems to be going very well. The 800 series head is performing very well and they're very easy to work on, easy to adjust. Right now I would have to tell you we're very satisfied.